Welcome to our video.
I make inside my head. He's naked in my bed, and I will lie awake, making beautiful mistakes. I wouldn't take them back.
Good morning. Welcome to our presentation. My name is Phạm Thanh Ngân, and I do this presentation with my best friend, and her name is Kampi. Because of the COVID-19, so she cannot join this video, but she always stays at home and supports me all the time when I need her. And we come from 11 English class from Tang High School for the Gifted, and we join this competition, and we choose to do this topic because we want to show the beauty and the history of the Tha Dung for everyone, for a visitor who come from another country or another cities in our country. So now let me show you guys some interesting and curious features in this place. Let's get started.
Here I am, Kamsi. Let me introduce you a little bit about the DAKNONG Geopark, alright? This geopark was established by the decision of DAKNONG Provincial People's Committee in December 2015, with the goal of heritage conservation and socio-economic development of the locality. On July 7, 2020, UNESCO approved the decision of the Global Geopark Council. Located on the Manong Plateau, DAKNONG Geopark covers an area of 4,760 square kilometers of 5 districts and 1 town. DAKNONG, as a part of Central Highlands Cultural Space, was the third UNESCO recognized the Global Geopark in Vietnam, after Dong Văn Cát Geopark and Non Nước Cao Bằng Geopark. When it comes to DAKNONG Province, it is wonderful to experience the rhapsody of fire and water, enjoy the wind of Junsh's concerto, and listen to the sounds of the earth. Among the attractions, we would like to make you guys be with nature by exploring the Dung Lake panorama. Let's get started with its location first.
Tha Dung Lake belongs to Tha Dung Nature Reserve. It's located in Pilau and Dak Song Village, Dak Long District and DAKNONG Province. Tha Dung Lake is situated about 45 kilometers from Yang City. Tha Dung is one of the 4 regions with many kinds of rare animals and a huge fishery supply for the whole province. Tha Dung is about 300 kilometers from Ho Chi Minh City and 150 kilometers from Buôn Ma Thuột City. You are recommended to take the 5-hour journey by shuttling bus from Ho Chi Minh City to Yang Town. Accordingly, you can grab a taxi or rent a motorbike to Tha Dung for another 1-hour ride.
Regarding to the history of the lake, it was at the bottom of the lake that DAKNONG Town was founded. The residents had to relocate to make room for the hydroelectric project. The reservoir has been formed since Dong Nai 3 hydroelectric power stopped the flow. On the 28th of October 2010, they held the ceremony to officially release the water into this area. All the water that fell into the valley of Obum has become a huge lake. There are usually 40 islands, but when the water goes down, these islands merge with each other to only make around 20 islands. The deepest part of the lake is about 50 meters deep. This lake has an area of 47,000 hectares. This, in turn, is a astonishingly beautiful masterpiece of artificial nature. The green-clad islands pervade the surface of the lake with their breathtaking tranquil beauty.
So now you can see the beautiful screen in front of the screen right now. The picture of water in Halong Bay of the Central Highlands. This amazing painting with a clear blue surface between the mountains, covered with trees and small dunes. It looks even better early in the morning. By then, you will have a thought you were lost to some distant land and not among the majestic Taiwan. The attraction to poetry is fascinating when natural beauty fuses into one another. When you look down from above like this, and there is a clear, flat, sunken surface divided by a multitude of small islands. This beautiful picture is called Halong Bay of the Silver Thousand.
Dung Lake has become a popular tourist attraction. You may appreciate the fresh, tranquil environment that you won't find in a bustling city. How relaxing it is to open your eyes in the morning with a bit hazy and cold weather in this perfect getaway. You can take a boat tour to explore the floating rafts of the local mad people who live off the land and learn about their culture via the magical legends. As a result, Dung Lake not only encourages Daknong economic growth through tourist activities, but it also enhances the natural beauty of Daknong. A multitude of jobs related to hotels, restaurants, homestays, tourist groceries are expanded. It also contains the Daknong National Park, a site for being a tourist destination. This nature reserve is important for study and preservation of the natural environment and endangered species included on Vietnam Red List.
The more tourists visit this charming attraction, the more environmental problems raised, such as trash problem, infrastructure damages. We have to be aware of protecting our local tourist destination and try to be environmentally friendly whenever arriving here. As you know, Dung Lake panorama is included in the routes of DAKNONG GEOPARK and just merely well known these days. So we need to respect its valuations, provided and call our friends to come and immerse in its breathtaking views and romantic atmospheres.
To recapitulate, beside the picturesque scenery of Dung Lake panorama, there are still some problems affecting negatively on the tourist experience to this destination. One of the major issues associated with this is that the construction of the road causes the high risk of involving in accidents and being worn out, with twisted road and a bunch of potholes.
One solution to this problem is for the People's Committee of Daknong Province to consider and reconstruct the road. We hope that tourists can indulge in their holiday in Dung as much as possible. If you need a tour guide, don't hesitate to contact with us.
We never let you down with our fullness of hospitality and our love to our hometown. Thank you for listening. We hope that you can enjoy it. Peace.